Patry, and in my day job, I'm head of learning and development and culture at JN Group. So it's a really beautiful night and the perfect time to be celebrating each other and all that we've accomplished together as a company. This is MC Systems. Everybody say Retrotech. Retrotech. Oh, what a concept, right? Who doesn't love a little throwback music? And then when you put in all that fashion as well, the little Retrotech. I see all those Retrotech items. Where do you all live? Where did you dig up all of these things? Down the road. This is so exciting. So tonight is going to be a night of award presentations for some, but it is a night of winnings for all of us. So there will be prizes for the best dressed Retrotech outfit. And I think we have some contestants already. Yes, I'd say so. And there will be prizes for the coolest piece of Retrotech that we have seen, that's been brought in today. So let's get started and go straight into the awards.
This year has been a year of change and transition. JN Group restructured. The MCS Group was created. Some members of the MC Systems team were given new mandates as we prepare ourselves for accelerated growth. We lost treasured team members who decided to continue their life journey somewhere else, but they will forever be considered a part of the MC Systems family. I thank them all for their contributions. Despite the challenges, we became stronger as a team. We remained profitable. We added new customers. We entered new markets. We launched new services. And we developed new solutions. We gained new capabilities. We learned from our experience, from our mishaps. We were recognized as the champion exporter by the Jamaica Exporters Association. Little David, this company, MC Systems, was recognized by the country's entity that is focused on exports for Jamaica. And we were recognized as a model company to generate services that are accepted by other companies abroad. I think that to me is proof that we are doing something right within Little MC Systems. I'm not sure how much we understand how powerful a message that is for our ideas or IP to be accepted by countries with different cultures, and for our people to leave Jamaica to integrate with other cultures and represent MC Systems. Big up. I really appreciate that from all who have contributed for us to achieve that award. I'm extremely proud of the company and of you.
Hey, I wanna give you some good loving. Listen. Turn your lights out, Lord.
Boy, turn them off.
Never ever try to resist. Oh no. Oh, let your moon come shining in.
Shining
It's all life, yeah. Sing it.
Ooh,
I love you, I love you, I love you.
and I want you to know right now.
Oh, what you want me to know?
I love you, and I want you to know right now
Everybody sing, everybody sing. I wanna give you some love.